When your roof starts showing signs of wear and tear, it's natural to feel worried about how much the repairs might cost. The good news is that working with the right company can actually help you save money, both now and in the long run. That's where my quality construction and roofing contractors comes in. Our team focuses on delivering smart, cost-effective roofing solutions that protect your home and your wallet. Here's how we help you save on roofing repairs. We catch problems early. One of the biggest reasons roofing repairs get expensive is because small issues are left untreated for too long. A minor leak or a few missing shingles might not seem urgent at first, but over time, they can lead to water damage, mold growth, or structural problems. These are the kinds of issues that cost thousands to fix. At My Quality Construction and Roofing Contractors, we believe in addressing problems before they turn into major headaches. When you call us, we don't just fix what's visible, we take the time to inspect your roof thoroughly. By spotting and repairing small issues early, we help you avoid the higher costs of major repairs down the road. We use quality materials that last. Some roofing companies cut corners by using cheap materials that break down quickly. That might save a little money up front, but it ends up costing you more when you have to repair or replace those materials sooner than expected. Our team only works with durable, high-quality materials designed to withstand the elements. Whether we're replacing shingles, fixing flashing, or sealing leaks, we make sure the repairs we do are built to last. That means fewer repair bills for you over time. Our workmanship reduces the risk of future issues. Poor installation or sloppy repair work can lead to new problems even after a repair is done. For example, if flashing isn't sealed properly or shingles aren't nailed down right, you might find yourself dealing with leaks after the next storm. With My Quality Construction and Roofing Contractors, you can trust that the job will be done right the first time. Our skilled team takes pride in their craftsmanship, and we stand behind our work. That attention to detail helps prevent future repairs and gives you peace of mind. We offer honest, clear estimates. Another way we help you save money is by being upfront about costs. Some contractors surprise customers with hidden fees or unnecessary upsells. We believe in transparency. When you work with us, you get a clear, detailed estimate, so you know exactly what to expect. We also take the time to explain your options, so you can make informed decisions that fit your budget. We help you plan ahead. We don't just focus on fixing today's problem, we help you think about the future of your roof. Our team can provide guidance on maintenance plans that extend the life of your roof and reduce repair costs over time. Simple steps like regular inspections and cleaning can make a big difference in preventing damage and saving money. We stand by our word. When you invest in roof repairs, you want to know your money is well spent. That's why we back our work with warranties. If something isn't right, we'll make it right. That commitment to quality means fewer unexpected costs for you. In the end, it's about value at My Quality Construction and Roofing Contractors. Saving you money doesn't mean cutting corners. It means offering real value by doing the job properly, using materials that last, and helping you avoid costly repairs in the future. When you choose this, you're not just getting a repair, you're getting a partner who cares about protecting your home and your budget. If you want roofing repairs that save you money both now and in the long run, give us a call. We're here to help.